behind a little shake. They look ate up, slotted and drilled. That bolt right there, the bracket. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones in the 8. Back with another video, back with another banger for y'all boys. We on the road to 1K. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, gang. We're about to put on these brakes and rotors for the 8. We're behind a little shake when we get up to about 60, 70 miles per hour. And we can't let that go on. So I got the brake, I got the rotors right there. I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but got the rotors right there. I'm gonna get the brakes tomorrow because I just got new brakes and they still under warranty. So about to hit the AutoZone right now and get this jack because I've been having to go to my cousin's crib every time I work on the car to use the jack because he got a good jack. And you know, some of the Challengers don't even come with a jack because they come with the little speaker in the trunk that I'm not even using, by the way. That shit just in the trunk. But yeah, so we're about to go to AutoZone real quick, gang. We're gonna grab this jack. I'm not even messing with it today, but by the time I turn this camera back on tomorrow, I'll be getting off of work and I'll be messing with them rotors and them brakes. I gotta get the jack stands too because they say I gotta bring in the brakes in order to get the new brakes. So about to run into AutoZone right now and grab that right quick, gang. We on the road now. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in like 2 seconds, know what I'm saying? Alright, gang, leaving the AutoZone. We got the jack back here. One of the real crank jacks, man. I've been needing one for a minute. So, for real, that's gonna wrap up for the day. When I turn y'all back on tomorrow, we're gonna be getting these rotors and shit put on, gang. So, be right back. Alright, gang, we skipped a bunch. I already got the old rotor off. Y'all let me know if this ain't look bad. I don't know how that heat spot shit work, but yeah, they look ate up on this side. But we got the new ones right here. Finna pop these new jumps in. We already took, you know what I mean, everything go. I was kind of frustrated when I first started, so I ain't picked the camera right up. But I'm gonna start recording from here. We ain't even gonna change the brakes because I just did a brake job not too long ago. So if you can see, it is kind of scuffed up. But they ain't bad though. Yeah, they ain't bad. They still got some life on them. So we'll change them when it come time, but hopefully we'll be good with this with the rotors. Gotta get these yanks in. And we did go with slotted and drilled. So I think the last one was just slotted. Just slotted and drilled on these. Yeah. Maybe I gotta decompress the brakes a little bit. Get you a C-clamp. Take this off real quick. Alright, should be good. I don't know where it cut off at, but we're on the last one. Just got finished putting the last one in. I'm about to put this tire back on. Put these spacers back on. These 2-inch spacers that we got up here, gang. Make this jank wider. You tell in the back, need some new tires. Bad. But about to put this jank back together. Then we're gonna go for a test ride. We already got the other side back on. Show y'all how it look. These the old ones. My phone had overheated, so I don't know when it started recording. But we already got that one back together. A little bit of dirt marks from me, but we got that one back together. Finna put this one back together. Turn y'all back on as soon as I put it back together, cause I'm in the middle of the street, so I ain't got nowhere to set my phone up at. Could on this tire, but still can't put that in the middle of the street, so we'll be right back, gang. But quick reference, you don't gotta touch none of these bolts when you taking the the road out. All you got to do, I mean, of course, take everything apart, but that bolt right there, the bracket, I don't know if y'all can see, this one and this one, just pop those two out, whole thing gonna come off, and then you're gonna be able to just take that off. You know, this move free without none of that up there, so that's gonna be it. But yeah, let's put this tire back together real quick, gang. All right, gang, we riding now. If y'all new to the channel, again, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I don't know how much I got recorded because my phone had got hot when I was recording, man. But, gang, keep tuning in for more bangers, more, you know what I'm saying? We're going to build up the cosmetics first because people keep coming at me in the comments about the cosmetics and this ain't a build, this, that, and third. Yeah, whatever. I'm building up the outside, then I'm going to build up the inside. We on the road to 1K, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. That's gonna end today's video, gang. We're gonna see y'all in the next video. Should be in a couple days. We about to bring them POVs back. So, tap in.